Hey guys, so it's sunny. um, yeah. Okay, so I left the house at like one-ish, something like that. I don't know. Anywho, I left the house. I put on my makeup and skedoodle. It's so pretty today. The day, it's not as cold, but it's still cold. Spring is not here yet, so I think it's next month or something like that. But yeah, we live in. I live in BC, and when I say BC is not cold or there's no snow, I'm only talking about the lower mainland. I lived up north before, like Prince George, and there are like a lot of small towns up north. There's a lot of snow there. It's so dry, it's so boring. It's like there's no life there, like there's no green. Like BC, there's a lot of green. There's lakes, there is just a lot of natural stuff that you can just, breathe in. So I love nature. Although I love makeup and all this stuff, I love nature. So yeah, gotta go. Bye.